असेंबली वे स्ट्रांग, सावधान, प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार, प्रार्थना शुरू कर। जैसे थे प्रतिज्ञा के लिए तैयार। इंडिया इज माई कंट्री, ऑल इंडियंस आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, आई लव माई कंट्री एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट्स रिच एंड वेरिड हेरिटेज। आई शैल स्ट्राइव टू बी वर्दी ऑफ इट, shall respect my parents, teachers and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. जैसे थे असेंबली वे स्ट्रांग।
Good morning everyone. Today is the thought of the day is it is very easy to defeat someone but it is very hard to win someone. I repeat my thought. It is very easy to defeat someone but it is very hard to win someone. Thank you. Courtesy Cadet Manas Rameta, Course Sainik School Godakhal, Class 6th.
morning everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, some national news. Cheetah copter crash kills 2 army pilots. UP farmers make E-way toll plaza free for public. Now some international news. Taliban include non-Persians in cabinet but still no women. Britain charges third man for nerve attack on Spikal. Kremlin hits back. At last, some sports news. Punjab wins over Rajasthan. Next match to be between Delhi versus Hyderabad. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. The topic of my speech is solar system. Solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites or moon or the thousand of the other small heavenly based bodies such as the asteroid, comets and meteors. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Of all these bodies are revolving around it. The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all planets and other objects revolving around it. The motion of all member force of the sun planets revolve around sun is the elliptical sun in the solar system, and the planet nearest to the sun, Mercury. The planet partner of the sun is Neptune, not Pluto. The size of solar system has been estimated to at the about of 10.5 AU. The solar system is dominated by the sun, which cannot for almost 99.9% of the matter in whole solar system. The sun is always source of all the energy in the solar system. Pluto on the above planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are terrestrial planet, and the Jupiter, star, Venus, Neptune are called gas planet. Thank you, Karthik. I am Bhadur in class 7, course SSG 9.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is bigotry. Part of speech noun meaning intolerance to different opinion. Synonyms are intolerance and patriotic. Antonyms are tolerance and open-mindedness. Thank you. Kursi Cadet Manasni Gupta.
अकेडमी सावधान स्टाफ मेंबर्स बाय मोड अकेडमी राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की स्टाफ मेंबर्स दाहिने मोड़ लाइन तोड़ टीचिंग स्टाफ लाइन तोड़ अकेडमी अबाउट टर्न लाइन तोड़ डोंट ड्रम टू बी ऑन